Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NVIDIA GeForce Experience driver installer, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Visit the official NVIDIA website. In the top menu, hover over the Drivers tab. From the drop-down menu, select GeForce Drivers. On the GeForce Drivers, in the search box, enter your graphics card model. If you're unsure of your model, click on the Auto Detect option. Follow the prompts to allow the detection tool to identify your graphics card. Once identified, the website will recommend the latest driver. Click on the Download button next to the recommended driver. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download finishes, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the GeForce Experience installer file. Double-click the installer file to launch it. When the installer opens, select Custom Installation. Review the options presented. Ensure the GeForce Experience checkbox is checked. Click on Next to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installation is complete, restart your computer. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience to verify the installation. Your NVIDIA GeForce Experience driver is now successfully installed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.